మా ఛానల్స్ లో వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు, ఇంటర్వ్యూల కొరకు మాకు వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయండి 7799978978.
Namaste, this is Manikanta, yoga instructor from SVSA University in Bangalore. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyashapihitam Tattvam Pushaparvunu Satyadharmaya Drushtaye Om Ram Namaha. One Asthauttanasana, stretch your both hands up, completely bend back. 2 forward bend Padahastasana, take your hands side of your feet. 3 Asvasanchalanasana, take your right leg back, down your right leg knee, push your hip forward and look up. Stretch your neck, look up. 4th Tulasana, take you both legs back, maintain body straight. Look forward, maintain body straight. Ashtanga Namaskarasana, down your knees, down your chin. Down your hip, completely make your elbow straight and look up. Parvatasana, fold your toes, completely lift your hip, down your shoulder. Try to adjust your legs, not hands. Asvasanchalanasana, right leg forward between your both palms middle. Look up. Padahastasana, left leg forward. Asthauttanasana, Namaskara Mudra. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. 1 Asthauttanasana, completely bend back. 2 forward bend Padahastasana. 3 Asvasanchalanasana, right leg back, down your right leg knee, push your hip forward and look up. Asana, take you both legs back, maintain body straight. Little bit, pull your shoulder forward, maintain body straight, good. Ashtanga Namaskarasana, down your knees, down your Asana, Padasana, adjust your legs, hands should be fold. Asvasanchalanasana, right leg forward, little bit, push your hip down, completely look up. Padahastasana, Asthauttanasana, Namaskara Mudra. Om Bhrum Suryaya Namaha. 1 Asthauttanasana, completely bend back, push your hip. 2 forward bend Padahastasana. 3 Asvasanchalanasana, take your right leg back, look up. 4 Chaturanga, take you both legs back, hold completely body straight. Ashtanga Namaskarasana, down your knees, down your chin, down your chest, look forward. Bhujangasana, Padasana, adjust your legs. Asvasanchalanasana, right leg forward between your both palms middle, look up. Padahastasana, Asthauttanasana, bend back.